Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So I got two packages right here. Basically one is coming from Foot Action and the other one is coming from Foot Locker. So let's crack this open right here. Tape here. And I know like this one right here, they are sitting in probably most places, but I did like the concept of it, so I grabbed it. So buy what you like. So here is one, and here is price. Okay, start. You know, like the one it's, you know, the wrap, and the other one is not. I know the one I got from Nike was also wrapped like this as well. So I don't know why the one from, I believe this was one from Foot Action, it wasn't wrapped. So here. So these are both size 10, and one is this is going to be Rush Violet, and then the other one is Blue Lagoon. I think they actually sent me the wrong one, to tell you the truth. So I thought I ordered the different color, but as you can see right here, both boxes will have the Be Like Mike right there underneath, and both will have the Gatorade towel, as you can see right there. So this is the purple pair. And this one right here is the blue pair. I thought I ordered the orange pair, not the purple. The purple was one of the color that I didn't pick up, but I don't know why this one is actually here. So I don't know if they messed up my order or what, but I know I can easily get the orange one since, again, they're sitting. And also this one, the one from Foot Action, again, this is separated. It's not in the, see, it's like it's cut, and I'm actually kind of disappointed. Again, you have the Gatorade hang tag right here with the Air Jordan Wings logo, the Gatorade Thunderbolt right there. And again, the leather quality is very nice on these this shoe. Again, you have the Gatorade, you know, translucent bottom right there. It has a Gatorade. Again, you have the two laces. You get the orange pair, and then the white lace with the orange tips. And this is the blue pair right here. There again, the lace bags. Again, you have the orange and the white. And then you have the regular color of the shoe as far as what's on the shoe itself. Again, you got the Gatorade bottom, translucent bottom, Nike swoosh. Again, nice leather quality. You got the Nike Air, and then in the back it will say Be Like Mike right there. So now I just have to look up my order again to see what's, you know, what happened with this one, because it was supposed to be an orange pair, but I got the purple pair. So I need to check up on that, but you know, there you go. So I did get, again, if you saw my previous video, I did get the line pair right here from Nike. So as you can see, I got, you know, I got 3 of them, but again, I have to check to see about the purple pair because that's the pair I didn't really want to grab. So, but for YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube. Peace out.